Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. I wanted to stop by real quick and show you guys how easy it is to make the cutest fake lollipop. So let's get started. So what I did was I took one of those long plastic straws that come inside those very big cups at Dollar Tree. I didn't need the straw, so I always save things. And this is a ball. One of the kids' balls from the kids' area. And this around here is double-sided tape. I wrapped two around twice because I didn't want it to look so thin. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make one. So I got this hair color spray from Walmart, I believe, around Halloween time. I love using this. I also like doing makeup looks to myself, Halloween looks, all type of that. But so I save these on the side because you never know what you could use them for, which I figured out that using them for fake bakes, perfect. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. I love using this. Let me move to the side a little bit here. Oh, sorry. Take your tape off. It's going to be sticky, but that's fine. Because once you're done doing everything you do to it, you're not going to see or feel that stickiness. So I like to take this and just spray it because this saves you from having to be there for a long time painting. But I don't do this with everything. I only do this with certain things. Just because, like I said, it saves you a lot of time. A lot of time. See? It doesn't have to look perfect either. Just because I got a little gap right here. I seen it when I turned it to show you guys. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect because once you get, see how I got little gaps right there, but that's fine. It dries fast. That's one thing that I love about it. That it does dry fast. You don't have to sit there and be like, oh my God, it's going to take me a long time to dry it. So what I like to do is, where's my, oh, sorry guys, I got stuck there. So I like to get this spray from, this glue spray from Dollar Tree, which I heard Walmart has even better ones, but I'm working with what I got, and I just really got in the mood of wanting to show you guys how to do the adorable lollipop. So I didn't want to, be here forever. So I like to spray it. I like to start at the bottom. So I spray it real quick. Maybe it would have been nice if I had my glitter open. Huh, guys? Okay, so I want to use that one. I wanted to use this pink one too, just to see how it shows. I don't think it's going to show too good, so we're just going to go with this one. And I got this glitter. I can't remember what the name of this one exactly is, but I got this one at Walmart. So okay, spray the top. Oh, I got other things falling out there besides glitter. And that's it. That is it right there. You guys got a perfect lollipop. there you go. And there you go. All done. And that is it. See how quick and easy that was? So there you go. You got a cute little lollipop. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.